무슨 가사가 뭔데?
So you kissed a girl just 'cause you wanted to. Not thinking about what you made us do. She started doing her hair and makeup all just for you. Only because you kissed a girl when you wanted to. You think you're
일단 사진 보내줘. 다 먹네 새우 내 새우. 오케이 질문. 도대체 왜?
되게 진지하게 얘기해.